Hey guys, and welcome back to Earthy DIY. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a rice water deep conditioner. The first step is going to be to cook the rice. But before you cook rice, you have to wash it to ensure that it is clean and free of all impurities. When cooking the rice, you want to add a good amount of water because you want the rice to be cooked as soft as possible. So the next step is going to be to blend the rice. You may want to add some hot water when you're blending, depending on the type of blender that you have and its power, because you want this to be as soft and creamy as it possibly can. The benefits of using rice for hair is that it increases the hair volume, it increases hair elasticity, it smoothens hair strands, which means that it will help to reduce tangles and knots. It also helps to improve hair shine and appearance. Rice also contains amino acids that helps in hair regeneration. So the use of rice water have become quite popular in the natural hair community over the past several years. However, this practice dates way back to the Heian period of Japan and was also quite popular in the women of the Red Yoa Tribe living in China. The women of this tribe are said to have some of the longest hair in the world, and this was often credited to the use of fermented rice water in their hair. A fun fact about this tribe is that they only cut their hair once in their lifetime, usually when they turn 18 years old, and also they have different hairstyles to signify the various stages of a woman's life. Right, so women who are single will have a different hairstyle to women that are married or married with children. So I found this quite interesting, and so I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you are a bit interested. So for this recipe, we use 204 grams of cooked rice, 106 grams of our herbal hair tea that will be linked below, 85 grams of shea butter, 63 grams of almond and olive oil, 56 grams of emulsifying wax, 30 grams of cetyl alcohol. So the next step is going to be to add phase B to phase A, and that will be our water phase. And then we're going to combine the other ingredients, the shea butter, the emulsifying wax, the oils, and that will be our oil phase. So next we're going to heat these faces using the double boiler method. Don't worry if the hair tea and the rice doesn't completely combine, because later on we're going to use an immersion blender and it will combine everything quite perfectly. This is probably one of our most favorite deep conditioners to make because it's such a great balance between protein and moisturizing ingredients. Rice contains a lot of amino acids, right? And amino acids are the building blocks of protein, right? That's what makes rice or rice water such a good protein treatment. When you add our herbal hair tea that contains, such great moisturizing herbs such as amla, hibiscus, fenugreek, and not to mention shea butter, it just balances out this recipe that makes it both a moisturizing treatment and also a protein treatment. So we're going to combine the oil phase and the water phase together, and we're going to use an immersion blender. And you can just see how nice everything is coming together, how thick and creamy this recipe already is. So just wait for this to cool down a bit, and then you're going to add 11 grams of a preservative. We use Optifine Plus, and also 4 grams of vitamin E oil. This part was accidentally cut out of the video, so we apologize. So we have reached the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you really enjoyed this video. Please leave us a comment down below and also a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.